Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Drop 2. It's the second drop. You already know what it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kianti. If you are new here, welcome. If you are old here, then welcome back. Welcome back. I'm not wearing my Justin Bieber shirt this time because I just got him. And I was like, oh, I ain't got time to change and do all that. I'm just gonna film. So this is what y'all getting. Bare face, beautiful and all. Yeah. But yes, y'all, if y'all did not know, now you know. Crocs x Justin Bieber and DREWHOUSE had another Crocs drop. If you guys have seen my original OG Justin Bieber collab with Crocs video, I'm gonna link it somewhere in the vicinity of the video. But yes, and these come with socks. I'm a sock girl. I love some socks. I love me a sock. So I was really excited when they said that these come with socks, and it didn't change the price of the drop. So yeah. Okay, let's open. It's a different price than if you ordered it off Crocs. I got these from DREWHOUSE this time instead of the Crocs website. They dropped on DREWHOUSE the day before they dropped on Crocs, which is what a lot of people didn't know that, and I was actually genuinely surprised. So yes, my friend Nathan copped me these beauties. If you guys remember Nathan, he was in my OG video. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. He's the man. If you need a shoe, he gonna help you. Per. These were like $77 and some change. I gave Nathan like 78, so I'm pretty sure it was like 77 some change. And I know on the Crocs website it was like a little bit cheaper. I really don't remember, but because I wasn't really like watching. But I got my friend, actually I'm gonna tell you, I got my friend Shelby. I waited. First of all, let's just get into the drop. Let's get into the drop. The Crocs drop was super easy this time. Like, I could have done it myself, for real. I opened it on Chrome and on Safari, got a shoe on each, and I really wish that I went ahead and bought it and then resell or whatever. But it seemed like a lot of people were able to cop the shoes this time, which is actually pretty cool. The first drop, it was super select. I've noticed, like, I saw a lot of people saying that they never got it. They ended up pausing the line. It was up until like 1 p.m., 2 p.m. I was like, gosh, this is just havoc. But this one ran a lot more smooth. I was able to get my friend Shelby some because like I said, got mine from the DREWHOUSE drop the day before, and then Shelby was gonna be at work, so I just went ahead and got hers. I'm actually about to tell y'all how much it was. Shelby's were $74.19, so it was only like a couple more dollars on DREWHOUSE, and it probably was because of like shipping or whatever. I really don't know how Justin runs his DREWHOUSE shipping, but I know that Crocs usually gives you free shipping after you pay a certain amount, and I know that Shelby's shipping was free. So yeah. But now for what y'all came for, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Crocs. I'm gonna open up. So the bag is pretty much the same as last time. It's a simple zip little bag, you know. Crocs is super simple. Ooh, this is the shoe. Look at how cute she is. Yes, we stand a lavender shoe. I don't have any purple Crocs, so I'm really excited to have some in the bunch. I probably won't really wear them often, and I'm only saying that because I really don't wear my yellow Justin Crocs often. I think it's more so of the fact that like I want to keep them in a good condition, and I really be beating my Crocs up, okay? Like, my Crocs be going through it, so I want to take as best care as I can with these. And yeah, these are the socks. There are cotton socks. They're white and yellow. They're literally just white and say Drew on them. Come on, let's I'm over it. But let me show y'all a comparison. So these are the cute little the cute little second drop and get it off. Here goes the first drop. Like, can you see? Yep, first drop, second drop, super cute. So I do want to let you guys know that these say made in China and these say made in Vietnam. I know a lot of people were asking me last time, like, mine says made in China. Yeah, it's going to. Most Crocs do though. Like, some say China, some say Vietnam, I think some say Mexico. They make them in different places depending on the Croc, depending on the accessories, depending on all of that. If you get a different shoe, then there's nothing to be worried about. Unless these say made in China, then I would probably worry. Then I would be a little bit skeptical. But I know that a lot of people that were ordering their Crocs off of like StockX or whatever were kind of skeptical as to whether they were getting a real or fake shoe. But when you order off places like StockX, they typically verify that the shoe is real before they put it onto their website. From what I've read, from what I've heard, they haven't put any fake shoes up there. So that's just something to be mindful of. If you're buying it from one of those legit websites, you should be fine. If you're buying them from like anywhere else, I really wouldn't know. Like, I wouldn't bank on like eBay or whatever, because I found out that they have fake gibbets that look just like this, and I was like, oh no, 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 no. But yeah, I am a size 8. They run kind of big, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of wish that I would have sized down, but I also don't mind a roomy fit just because I wear big socks sometimes, especially during the winter, so it complements. But let me show y'all the gibbet. Here we go, like up close and personal. They basically made this oversized and then they just split up, like they made the DREWHOUSE gibbets instead of just the Drew gibbet. And I think that's it. That's like the same for real. And there's no gibbet on like the Croc band this time, but there was one on the Croc band last time. I haven't moved the gibbets at all on my old Crocs. They're literally all in the same exact order they were when I first got them. And yeah, I think these are really cute. I think they're really big compared to like other gibbets, but I'm still gonna wear them. Like, I already have plans for these. Hold up, these kind of fit differently than my other ones. Hold on, let me see. I was about to fall. But yeah, these are so cute. I don't even know what else to say. I'm so excited to wear these. I think that this is so cute. I think that I like the color. I think the color is different. I think that Justin has chosen some good colors, like the yellow being a completely different color than like the usual Croc color, or this lavender type color. I like that. I like that he didn't choose like weird colors like a red or something, but who knows? Who knows? I do hope that he has another drop, just because I think Post Malone had 3 drops. And I just think it's so funny how like Bad Bunny had like 1 drop, and then look at Justin coming out with 2 in the time. Like, Bad Bunny only had like 1. No shade to Bad Bunny, but he needed to step that Croc game up. I know they sold out, but I think they sold out because they're Bad Bunny, not because like it was a, you know. But I'm definitely going to be wearing one of these pairs of Crocs when I go see Justin this summer. I'm supposed to be seeing him front row. So I should get him to sign them somehow. I hope I can. But other than that, I really love this shoe. I'm excited to wear it. I'm excited to see what else he has in store with Crocs, if he has another drop with Crocs. But I think that they're cute. I think that they're stylish. I think that the color is different, and I like that he chose a different color. He didn't choose nothing like crazy, but maybe Haley can inspire him to drop a pink. I'm just saying, maybe like a pink tie-dye or something like that. Like, if you need help, Justin, have your people call my people. I'll help you. But if you don't want my help, I will say that you have been doing good so far, and I can't wait to wear them. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you too got the Crocs, and actually tell me if you got both drops or if you only got one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram at thatsocuteauntie, and I will catch you guys next time with a new video. Bye.